preheated the oven and the oven caught fire. Hey, what's up you guys? Wow, the sun's right there. I was supposed to start this earlier, but I went to a doctor's appointment and I just had some damage at Michael's, so that's awesome. Did not intend on spending that much, but then I was like, oh, that will be a cute craft. And yeah, I'm trying to block that because I'm more comfortable sitting like this. But I'm debating on going to Home Goods and TJ Maxx next because I want some Christmas decorations, but also I feel like I've done enough, so I might just go grocery shop at Kroger because I want to go home, make bread, start making some cookies, make gingerbread lattes. Like, there's a lot of stuff I want to do today, so trying to decide what I'm gonna do. I think my friend's coming over tomorrow, so maybe I'll put off like TJ Maxx and stuff and see if she wants to do that. But yeah, then grocery shopping it is because I need some fruits and veggies and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go scroll on Pinterest, look at a few recipes, get some inspiration of what all I want to eat for like next week. And yeah, I finally got Smoothie King. I've only been wanting to try it for like 2 years, but pretty good. But yeah, I will see you guys shortly once I'm either in a grocery store or like home. So we'll see what happens first. So I made my gingerbread syrup. I was trying to make my cookies. I preheated the oven and the oven caught fire. I know, baby cat. This is the first time you've meowed in like 20 minutes. But yeah, I have him and her. And we're sitting in a Target parking lot because we came here for a fire extinguisher. Like, they didn't have to send the fire department, but like still, it was smoky and it was scary and that was not a fun time. I also meant to get oven cleaner and a few other things, like we need trash bags, but I forgot because I was like, get a fire extinguisher, get cat treats, and let's go. My talking scaring him. So yeah, that's a little update. Hey guys, so it's the next day. We're getting a smoothie bowl and then going to Target again because I forgot a lot of stuff. And then fuck, I didn't look at what size trash bags I needed. Shit, whatever. And then we are gonna go and deep clean the kitchen, I think is my goal, between that and laundry, because like my friend's not coming over today. We rescheduled for Sunday, but yeah, I'm gonna go get my smoothie bowl and I will see you guys. Look at how cute it is. It has a little gingerbread. I got like a gingerbread smoothie bowl, so it has like dates, vanilla, house-made peanut butter, bananas, ginger snaps, blackberries. But yeah, I'm gonna eat this and then go to Target. Hey guys, so just got done Giant Eagle. Let's not talk about the damage I did at Target. I mean, we will when I get home and do like a little Holly haul, but jeez, I did not intend on spending that much. We're gonna go home. It's like 2:30, so I spent like 2 hours out doing fuck all whatever. So we're gonna go home, go see the cats, and unpack and start cleaning and do all that fun jazz. So yeah, let's get into this. Let's go home. Okay, so now that I'm home, I have all my Target stuff over here. So we're gonna go through everything that I got while I unpack and organize. So first thing we got is some wall shelves for the guest bathroom, aka my bathroom, aka where all my makeup and everything goes. So hopefully that works. Fingers crossed. In this bag, we just got a gift bag. I just got like a bunch of random gift bags and gift wraps. Got some garland that I may not use. And we got 2 small canvases because we want to do that cat treat flicking painting video thing. And I got hair cutting scissors for my bangs, which go to the bathroom. That can go there for now. And this can go in the bag because it's all Christmas time. And I got this today, which I filled up with everything else. So, cleaning stuff's on top. So, we got some Dawn dish wipes because, I don't know. We also got regular disinfecting wipes because why not have both? This one's better for, you know, deep cleaning small messes. This one's better for just wiping up. Got some Dawn Mr. Clean Magic Erasers because I like these a lot. They clean really well. We got some granite and stone wipes because I didn't feel like paying so much for the spray and it's literally dried out because there's a hole in it, so that needs to go back. We got some Cling and Seal for Christmas because I'll be using a lot of that. We got stainless steel and cleaner and polish to clean up some stuff around here. Got Amy's chili because it was 20% off with the ad. We got some glass cooktop cleaner and polish because we need it. We got more Mr. Clean that does not have the Dawn because I love Mr. Clean erasers. We got some big garbage bags, which I hope will fit our trash can because we have a really big trash can. There's 2 more cleaning things in here. We got heavy duty oven cleaner since I set a fire inside of it yesterday. I'm sorry I did not film that. I could have if I just kept filming and then turned around with the camera, but whatever. And then we also just got regular stovetop cleaner for like everyday cleaning. We got this garland, which is what I'm hoping to put on the mantle. Nice glittery, has some fake pine cones, but we will see. I need Kyle's opinion on it, even though he says he doesn't care. I care. I got these little lights to go with that. Got gift tags, more gift tags, tissue paper, and snowflakes are non-negotiable because I want them, so I'm having them. And that is
my old lovers fall into my covers where they sink one by one. Yeah, I watch them disappear to nothing, disposable as chewing gum. There are deal breakers where I come from. My family don't suffer, fools glad they know. Do we kiss and lie in bed to fill awkward silences? Do we feel emptiness after